Hi guys, I just want to show you something cool. This recording that you're seeing on your screen right now is an activity of one of our customers on our website. So as you can see here, the customer is browsing the space clearing candle and then later on added the candle to her cart. But then after that, maybe the customer changed her mind and then she changed the candle to a different type of candle, which is the grief candle, which means maybe she needed both, but she can't afford it or something affected the buying decision of the customer. So what I can do later on is to convince her to check out the space clearing candle as well by giving her or offering her a code, right? And this video has been recorded using an app that is called Lucky Orange. So what I love about this app is that it does not only record the activity of your customers, you can also watch them live. So imagine watching them live and then being able to provide real-time support to them. You can interact with them live, by the way. So how cool is that? So instead of guessing what is working and what is not working on your website, why not use this app instead? Record everything and then update everything on your website that is not working based on this video. So gather data, update, right? That's so cool. The name of the app again is Lucky Orange.